Welcome back to the channel, guys. So welcome to another exciting video. 2019 Sprinter van been hit down the back. Obviously replacing the two back doors. Back end is well pushed in. I can show you. And they're not making it easy for us because this is fully converted fridge van. So I mean, yeah, the floor is well bent. So if you want to see how we did it, please stay tuned. Right guys, so I've got this van anchored down, which obviously we're using this frame in the floor to anchor everything down. And I don't know if you can see it. Yes, you might see something there. Chain down, so it's not moving because obviously I need to pull this back panel out. I've got this Black Hole tower set up. That's what we're using this frame for. Anchor everything down. And I will just try to pull this back where it should be. Right, I've got it pulled. It looks much better now, not 100%, but I think I will do much more if I take this back section out, because I'll be able to grab the back panel and just pull it down a bit more. So I will cut this section off and go from there. Right guys, so I've got this laser set up. Basically I'm going to need to measure the back end, but before I do that, obviously I need to get the vehicle level, which I've got a level. There's a little hole there. the laser is in the middle of that hole, and in the middle of that hole there, on the way now, yeah, in the middle of that hole, and in the middle of that. So basically you need to do, you need to check if your vehicle is level first before you start measuring, because there's no point using the laser when your vehicle is not sitting straight. So I need to measure the back end now, because it starts looking good. It's pretty good now, just the maybe fraction wants to come down. That's why I've got a laser up. Right, laser is on and I can see it now. This side I've got laser pretty much level with this hole, and on this side it's about 5 mil, I would say. Yeah, 5 millimeters. So this chassis on this side wants to come down by 5 mil. Right, I've got it pulled and it looks good now. This one pretty much just in the bottom of that. This one there, I'm on the way of the laser now. If there is something between them, probably 1 mil. But I need to check, obviously every time I pull it, I need to check if the vehicle is level on them 2 holes which I showed you earlier, because every time you pull, the vehicle might move anyway and you need to adjust it. So it looks good now. I could just probably pull it down in the middle now and keep going. Right guys, so I've got it straight to the laser, pretty good. And now we'll take this panel off now and this corner piece. Big shout out to Richard from Keds Auto Paint for hooking me up to this device, which is awesome piece of kit, sprayable sealer gun. I can spray the sealer, and I'm going to use this Wharf stuff, which some of you probably know, but all this van underneath there is full of stone chip. I mean, wherever you look, it's full of stone chip. So on this back side here, on this new panel, I'm just going to spray it, and it's going to be like OEM, and that's what the gun does, all sorts of things. So let's go. Job took 55 hours to complete, and that includes changing all the seat belts in the cab because they were activated during the accident. And thank you for watching, see you on the next one.